What is physics? Physics is the branch of science that deals with the properties of matter and energy and the interaction between the two. Physics covers a wide range of topics from the tiniest subatomic particle to the largest structure in the universe. It deals with everything from the behavior of atoms and molecules to the properties of light and sound to the motion of planets and stars. Physics also deals with the study of light and electromagnetic waves known as optics and electromagnetism. It also deals with the properties of matter and energy at atomic and subatomic levels known as quantum mechanics. In recent years, physics has played a crucial role in the development of new technologies, from invention of the computers to the creation of new materials. Physics has been at the forefront of scientific advancement.